I can slay the holidays with my complimentary VoxBox from Influencer. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie, and today I will be unboxing my complimentary Slay the Holidays VoxBox from Influencer. Okay, so the first product I received is pronounced OTZI, I believe. It is their makeup removing cleanser. Then I received the second and third items I received were both from one size. I received the travel size setting powder, which I'm excited about. I also received the one size, their liquid eyeliner, Bodacious Black. Hey, excited to try that. Then the last item I received is from Smashbox. It is their always on cream shadow. So how about that? I can slay the holidays with my complimentary VoxBox from Influencer. Yay! I'm so excited to try all these amazing products that I received free from Influencer. Now, after I sample these products, I will head over to the Influencer app, I will review them, I will follow all needed steps to complete the Slay the VoxBox challenge contest, and then wait and cross my fingers and hopefully get the next VoxBox. But before I'm done today, I would like to thank you for watching my video. I hope you come back next time. Also would like to thank these 3 companies and Influencer for choosing me to send this VoxBox to. Merry Christmas, and I hope everyone has a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.